Welcome to the Mindfulness Meditation. You must have heard this term quite a few times in your life. It is important to understand what it truly means. In this practice, there is a lot of involvement of acceptance. We accept our thoughts, our feelings, without judging them, without believing that there is a right and wrong. It purely focuses on the now. We take the route of awareness moment by moment. So now sit comfortably with the spine erect. Relax your shoulder, your belly, and your thighs. Shift back slightly and lengthen your spine so that your head and shoulder can sit directly over your head. As your eyes are closed, feel into the connections between your hips and your legs and the earth. As you breathe gently, in and out through your nose, allow yourself to get further settled into your seat. Notice the energy you receive from the earth. Feel how your connection to the support underneath you. Just feel the sensation underneath you. Energy is coming from the earth. Just receive it. It helps you feel awake and alive. This is called grounding. Just feel the sensation. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out through your nose while remaining connected and grounded in your body. Let your attention be relaxed and open, keeping you present with a clear and broad awareness. Don't try to control your breath. Just let it happen deep or shallow. It does not matter. Simply be present and aware with it. Give yourself the permission to do nothing but to observe your breath coming in and going out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Give yourself the permission to embrace this moment of stillness in which there is nothing at all needs to be done other than staying here patiently and still. Just watch the breath. If at all you are noticing yourself lost in thoughts, gently bring your attention back to your breath, which is happening very naturally without your effort. Just observe, and you can see develop a sense of curiosity towards the breath. Where exactly you can feel it? How does it feel? Can you notice any difference between your inhalation and exhalation? Just observe. Now, open your awareness focusing on sounds that you hear and your bodily sensations. Any thought or emotion that might be coming up to the mind right now. Just observe, just be with it. Let it just pass like passing clouds. Every thought will seem like a cloud passing through the sky. All you are doing is simply staying calm and allowing them to come and go. Observe them without engaging or reacting to them. Rather, you are responding to them with the stillness of your breath, with the stillness of your mind, and with the calmness like the idol or statue watching the passing cloud. Nothing is affecting you. You are just being the witness. Whatever that you notice, be it good or bad, positive or negative, welcome it with a spacious mind. Just allow it to pass through. Don't try to change it. Don't try to chase it. Or don't try to put it away. Can you remain still and spacious in your awareness as you accept what is arising right now? Just stay in this moment. Whenever you feel ready, come back to yourself. Rub your palm, place them on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes.